Hi, bird. Don't forget, I'm coming to visit.
Wow, look at the clouds, radar. Isn't flying wonderful? Makes me feel like a bird. Wah, 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 wah. Wah, 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 wah. Hey, radar! We're landing in our new home! Ocean View, Illinois. Boy, in a couple of minutes, we're gonna meet our new bird family, the dodos.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. CTW flight number 1138 from New York is now arriving at gate 2.
Which gate did you say?
Gee,
Oh, look! Is that a bird?
No. It's a plane.
maybe this is the wrong airport.
But how can an airport be wrong?
I think we should go to the snack bar.
Gee,
I want a bird dog, Daddy.
yeah, bird dog,
Oh,
bird dog.
I hate to think of being lost. He's only 6 years old. I'm hungry,
You didn't
Daddy.
make it. Me too.
Oops. Sorry.
Excuse me. Was there a big yellow bird on this plane?
Well, only me.
Oh, too bad. He'll be on the next plane.
Yeah, next plane, next plane.
Hey, you must be the dodos.
What? No way.
I'm Daddy Dodo.
I'm Mommy Dodo.
I'm Donnie.
And I'm Marie. Who are you?
Why, I'm Big Bird.
What?
Oh, no, you're not. You're Big Dodo.
Big Dodo?
Look, Big Dodo, this is our street, Canary Road.
Where are we going? Where are you taking me? Is this the airport?
Well, we made it. I told you I could find it.
Find what, dear?
I can't remember.
I'm so proud of you, Father.
Oh, thanks, son. Oh, it's great to be here. You have to come home before you can leave.
Don't be shy, Big Dodo.
Where's Marie going? Who's Big Dodo?
Gee,
Bird would be so proud of me. I've watched his things all week and nothing has moved. Huh?
Come on, Barkley. Come on, cheer up, boy. You know, we missed Big Bird too.
Oh, hey, look, everybody. A letter from Big Bird. He starts. Dear friends, here I am in my new home. It sure is a lot different from my nest on Sesame Street. The Dodos are a nice family. They live in a birdhouse with a big front lawn. They spend a lot of time there digging for worms. They never seem to find any, but they love to do it.
gee, I don't see any worms here.
The Dodos have lots of great things like a lawnmower you can ride on. I'm not sure they know how to use it right, but nobody's perfect. The Dodos like to stay in shape. Every morning we do our exercises. Oh,
want you to come up off the floor and start jogging in place. Left and right. Go. Yeah, come on. Left and right.
I'm getting some. I'm getting some.
Pressing it down.
I need rest.
4 more. Hold on. 3 more. Come on, get tough with it. 2 more. And cross your hands in front. Come on.
Sometimes after a hard workout, we take a dip in the pool. Now that's fun. Well, it's time to go to sleep now.
Well, good night.
So that's my new home.
Night.
I should be happy here. What's wrong with me? Love, Big Dodo. Big Bird to you.
Oh, dear. Sounds like Bird needs me. I know. I'll write him a postcard and ask if it's okay to come visit now.